Man, I got the notes down, but I can't get some of these dotted rhythms. It's so frustrating. I really need to figure this out.
Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back. Jim here. So today it is about dotted notes and how to count dotted notes. We're not talking about articulation. We're not talking about dots underneath the note head, dots to the right of the note head. First things first, I think learners have a hard time with this because they might not understand the subdivision. So I have a rhythm tree video that can help you out with that. Just look at the physical part, half note equals 2/4. If you can get the subdivision, that really helps you. Now listen to this phrase in regards to dotted notes. Add half the note's value to itself. Say it with me. Add half the note's value to itself. Let's begin. So if we have a half note here equals 2/4 notes, all of this, because my exercise is going to be in common time and 3/4 time, we're basing it off of that. We have now a dotted half note, so we have the 2/4 notes originally, and then we just take one more, and you have 3. It's as simple as that. We have 2/8 notes here. Now we have a dotted quarter note. We have 3/8 notes, and that is 1.5 beats. You got it? Leave a comment if you have questions so I can help. Now we have an eighth note, which equals 2/16. We break it down, and then we have a dotted eighth note, which is now total of 3/16, which is 3/4 of a beat. Down here I have written in the box, that's what we're looking at, we have 16 note subdivision, and we have one beam here, so that's a dotted eighth. It's connecting to a small double beam there, which is a 16th. So that would go 1 E and ah. So my snapping was where you would hear the rhythm, and then I was counting the subdivision. You can also think of it as ta-ah. But if you count it out, you're ensured to be an internal musician and you can get this. This one is reversed. You have the 16th and then the dotted eighth. So that goes 1 E and ah. All right, so hopefully I didn't go too fast, but let me know. Let's go to the exercise. You can listen to it first if you wish. Some of the rhythms I did write the counts in so you can see it vertically. So let's do this.